What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Right now we're on the way to a Rodspeed event. They're hosting a car meet out in Miami Lakes, so I'm heading over there right now. I think I might meet up with Patrick. Put this down a little bit. Might meet up with Patrick so that we can pull up together. We're a little bit late. It started at 12. It's 1:54 right now, but it's going until 5. I freaking washed my car this morning. It's freaking sunny. I stopped by my parents' house, and then as soon as I'm about to leave my parents' house, it's freaking pouring rain, and it's literally for like 5 minutes, which is super annoying, but whatever. I was able to dry it, and then I'll just touch it up like always when I get there. But Florida in the summer is mad annoying with this stuff. But let me show you guys a little bit, some poles. Oh, we got some cars in the way. Slow it down a little bit. It's a little baby pole, nothing crazy, you know, keeping it safe. But yeah, the last video I did, the POV, you guys enjoyed it, so I'm gonna start incorporating it a little bit more in my videos. Damn, is that an SVJ? Look at that. Oh, that thing was crazy. Damn, broke my neck. Hopefully I was able to catch that with the camera. But yeah, we're gonna see what kind of cars are out there. There should be a lot of different builds. Rodspeed does a lot of JDM. They obviously do a lot of BMWs. Super great shop, so if anybody needs some work done on their car, definitely Rodspeed is the way to go. They take care of you like family. So I'm excited to see what's out there today. And then and it's a grand opening for a restaurant, I think, so we're gonna eat some food. Like, I would like to do, you know, some food vlog and some you know, daily stuff, right? Because I always eat. Clearly by my build, you can see that I like to eat. But yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys when I get to meet up with Patrick, because right now I'm just cruising, so there's nothing fun here. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in a bit. Something I did forget to mention, Patrick got an Adro bumper, guys. He's got an Adro bumper on the front lip right now. He's gonna do the tri-ducts next, and he's also going to be doing the diffuser. So when we meet up with him, you guys are going to be the first ones to see the Adro bumper, and I'm super excited because I think on the M4 the Adro bumper looks the best, and also on his paint color, which is black sapphire metallic. So I'm a few minutes from meeting up with him, so when we see that thing is literally going to look insane, guys. So can't wait to show you. Let's take a quick look at Babe real quick. Nah, I can't say Babe. Real Babe will get mad at me. Nah, I'm playing. But see, it rained a little bit, so I was able to dry it. I'm at Chevron right now, waiting for Patrick to show up. But she's looking clean. It's been raining non-stop in Florida, guys. But then look, there's an M2 over there too. Super clean car. But yeah, let's see when Patrick gets here. I'm gonna try to get a shot as he's pulling in, because that Adro bumper is insane. Oh my goodness, guys, watch this. Oh my gosh. Oh, what? Jesus, bro. Hey. Yo, that boy Patrick Adro, bro. That's what we're gonna call him. That thing looks insane, bro. Oh my goodness. I love it, bro. I love it, honestly. Damn, bro. Yeah, and I think it looks the best on the M4 and on black. Yeah, bro. Like, just look at that right there. Look at that shot.
You gotta wipe these babies down when it's freaking rain. I got a little rain too.
I wiped mine down already. Yeah.
I'm gonna wipe it when we get there, dog.
Yeah. But you wanna head on now?
Yeah, let's go.
Guys, I told you, that looks absolutely insane. Like, there's no words for it. It looks so good. Just look at that thing. Look at that. But now we're gonna head out, so I'll catch you guys when we're almost there. Guys, I'm gonna show you a little bit of the handling on this car right now. Well, I got people in front of me, so never mind. Damn, I'm not gonna be able to show you. Ah, that's upsetting. It's okay. For the next one, I guess. This exhaust is so freaking amazing. I can't wait till I get downpipes too. It's gonna sound absolutely insane. Mr. Skadoo. What's up, boy?
Hello, what's good, bro?
What's going on?
This thing's getting hella attention.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's huge, bro. Look at this thing. That's wild. Damn, this shit's crazy. What? That one gonna hit me. I never seen that shit in person. Let's stack them up right here. Damn, this shit's a movie, guys. Holy shit. Let's go.
You gotta try to fucking hard.
Ahí está.
Come this way, come this way.
Ahí está.
Now go.
Yeah, bro, that shit looks insane, bro. Está bonito, está bonito.
Now you're good, just go back. Straighten out. Wow, bro.
What's going on?
How are you, dude? How's
Good,
everything?
good,
Thank you so
good.
much for coming, bro.
For sure. How to be out here. Here it is. I think that's Houdini or artificial intelligence. I'm pretty sure. He has 2 pages, so it's kind of confusing. Yo, what's good? What's going on? Where's the car at? I can't miss the booger, bro. What's going on?
I watched your video.
Nice to meet you. No, nice to meet you. Let's see what we got going on out here, guys. We're gonna walk around a little bit. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted. But off rip, you guys can see a track set up right here on the F80. You've seen these guys before in a lot of videos. There's Frozen right here, M4. Thing looks beautiful. We got some M2. Oh, that's a straw with the Strauss wheels. Then you got the whole Rodspeed team right there. Got a nice super. God, I want to walk around a little bit, but let's wait for Patrick real quick. Got an RX-7 with the BBSs here. Oh, single turbo setup on the rotary. Okay, I see you, my boy. Got an old school Volkswagen here. Beautiful Civic here. Back that K, shout out you. Here's that track setup F80. That boy full track mode, full track mode. Very nice. Voltex wing. That thing looks insane. Look at that. Wow. Is that M2 with the Strauss wheels? Very nice wheels. We've seen that one at a previous video. And we got the P car. That gorgeous green. I don't know what green that is. Then you got overrated's bag 8 series right here. And then look at the Supra. Wow. Oh, look at this G80 with the champagne wheels. I think that's BC4's wheels. That thing is clean. Another G80. Yeah. Those are Z Performance wheels. Esa está heavy. With the high kick. Then you got the S14. Dope. You say hi to my boy Alex real quick.
Yo, what's good?
What's going on, bro? I just got here with Patrick.
Late, bro. Alfred's inside with Vinny fucking.
Yeah, they told me they're getting lit right now.
Mr. Patty Pat Pat.
Adro Pat. They're inside right now, so you want to go?
Yeah.
Or you want to do a lap?
Let's do a lap, yeah.
All right, let's do a lap. Look at this Supra, boys. Wow, that thing is so mint. Look at that paint. Oh my goodness. And then you got another Nissan here. I think this is an S14 as well. That's Rodspeed's. Got a Lambo. Okay, boy. He's a fast boy. Then you got a Turbo S. I think this is the same guy that has a single turbo G80. Got a Hellcat, 4X Pay, an F8, I think. Ferrari. And you got another Rodspeed build. Guys, look at this one. Oh my goodness. Nice GR right there. With the BBSs. This is Alfred's right here. That boy's always riding clean. Then you got SRT Kiki. Look at that, on bags, guys. A Jeep Cherokee on bags. Follow him on Instagram. He got some great content. You got a C8. And then here you got Adrian's Porsche 911. He's my boy from Belgian wheels. And he's got those clean, I think that's like charcoal, graphite. I'm not sure, but look at that wing too. It's a beautiful build. You got this one too, the Evo. I think this is an Evo 8. That's another Rodspeed build. That's one of his cars. Super dope. Oh, let's look over here. We got some old schools, some caddies. And then you got this F87. Look how wide that is. Oh my goodness. That wide body kit is absolutely mental. Wow. No car miss, guys. No car miss. This is the R8. I think this is Dini's G80. Oh my god. Thing is beautiful. And you got some more old school. This is what I love about events like this. You got a variety, right? You got a bag Mustang here. You got a GTR. Then I think this is Robert's M4CS. Man, he just keeps it so clean all the time, guys. So beautiful. And look at that carbon hood. That carbon hood. Got this big turbo Supra. Oh, KLM built. Guys, I fell asleep looking at these people's single turbo kit. I think if you guys get me to 500K, I might do a single turbo kit. I might have to do it. And he's manual. This is the first 890 I see manual. It must be like 23 or 24. And you got the weld wheels. Oh my goodness. That's why I couldn't park here. These are fast boys. Another Nissan with that fat track setup in the back. Oh my lord. Full track setup. Full track setup. I thought that was a nitrous bottle. It's an extinguisher. But look at this. Twin turbo. Twinsies right here. I think this might be an LS. It might be an LS. I don't know my engines like that, but I'm pretty sure this might be an LS. You got a GT350R. Oh. The cars just go on and on and on. Obviously, you got to mix your family cars because people are eating in this plaza as well. But look at this. I've never seen something like this one either. That's a nice Accord. This is one of the newer Accords. VIP status on the wheels. Then you got this F-Series right here with the HREs. Very clean wheels. I like those. Those are really nice. Just walking around and then I had to come by and look at this Mark IV. Oh man. Right-hand drive. Wow. This is Fito M3. I guess you got a Supra too, my boy. Good for you. That boy's living. That boy Zach. What's going on, bro? How you been? You good? Nice to see you out here. Is that your car right there? Yeah. Nice. It's my boy Zach. We go to the same gym. This is his beautiful G80 right here. Thing sounds absolutely insane. I think he just got it tuned as well. He got the front mount intakes from Project Gamma. You're leaving? Yeah, I'm leaving. Oh shit, all right. That boy's heading out right now. Then you got Vaughn's E36 right there. Got like an 89-90 Civic Si. Then you got an E90 right there. But guys, his car is so beautiful. He just got carbon buckets as well because he had the buckets. I mean, he had the comfort seats and he just got the buckets. He knows what's up. Drive safe, brother. Jesus, I can't record that. There's this beautiful X3M. That's like base car right here. Jeez. It's like base car. She got an X3 M40, but I'm saying it's like the same because it has the same color, Brooklyn gray. Very nice. Then you got the Drive It M4 with the carbon exterior package. That color is so freaking nice. Look at that. Look at the metallic flake here. Wow. And then you got this one, quarter mile blue G80. Very nice. OEM Plus. The nice carbon lip. Very nice car. This is an 85 Volkswagen right here. It's like the beach cruiser. Damn, it's completely gutted. ¿Cuánto corre?
Esto no corre.
Porque lo tiene vacío.
Esto es una tortuga. Esto no corre. Esto no corre. Esto es para otra cosa.
Para ir a la playa.
Para ir a la playa, para vacacionar.
Claro, claro. No, porque yo le vi sin asiento, sin nada. Yo dije, ven acá, de nada tiene un motor exclusivo ahí adentro. No, pero yo estaba diciendo que aquí hay una variedad de diferentes carros y eso es lo mejor.
Eso es lo mejor, claro.
Eso es lo mejor porque...
ahora moderno.
Exacto.
Hay para todos los gustos.
Exacto, exacto. Tiene lo nuevo, lo viejo, hasta golf cart, lo que sea. Pero está bien, mucho gusto.
Hermano.
Tranquilo.
Igual.
Got bikes out here. Very nice bike. But yeah, look at Vaughn's E36 right here with the BBSs. I think he changed his vinyl to these colors. I think it looks sick. He knows how to build a car. And he got the paint match lip as well on the front. Very nice Kawasaki. Then you got a CBR 1000 right there. Hey, that boy Dini. That boy Dini lit. That boy's lit.
Yo, let me tell you about this mezcal, bro.
What's going on? How you doing, Tom? You good? You good, Alfred? We made it out.
I know, bro.
No car missed.
Yo, we got a business proposition coming up.
I like that.
Yo, we can't share it on the channel though.
We gotta go in there. That's who's hosting the meet, La Diosa, Taqueria. So we gotta go visit them inside for a little bit. Let's go inside. We're about to get a little brewski. Drink responsibly, 21 and older. Damn, they got the red carpet for the boy. For another pool, they knew I was gonna pull up. Nah, I'm just playing. It's nice in here, it's packed. And then it goes that way too. I got a little microfiber towel with me. It's super hot. I just moved the car because they're tripping about being in the middle of the street, but just had a brewski. Now we got came outside to see the S2000, another Mark IV Supra, a little AMG action here, and another Supra, another S2K. This one's super clean with a tan interior. You don't see a lot of white ones, to be honest. But we got, I think that might be a Maybach right next to us. I'm not sure. It is. And look at that paint. It's like two-tone. It's like wine red and black on the sides. It's this boss car. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It was a great turnout. Had all the boys out here. Had to pop out, you know. I don't come to Miami that far. But if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.